name is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole.
If I lose it all, will you still be here? We die for the money, we cry golden tears.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I actually wasn't going to shoot this video because yesterday on the way to the vet, my cat got away. There was a loud noise from construction and he jumped out of his carrier and I haven't found him yet. So first of all, my voice sounds all cracky and stuff is because, you know, tears and shit. And so I haven't found him yet and hope he comes back. And so I'm not going to talk about it anymore because then I'll cry again. So it's Face Chart Friday. Did a poll, Rachel C face chart versus Milk 1422, and Milk 1422 won this week. I think he won last week too. It's very simple on the eyes face chart, but a very bold lip. So yeah, a very bright lip. So enough talking. Let's get started.
Scared, afraid of all this change. We've been poor too long, but being rich feels strange. Fake, I can't pretend no more. Living one big lie, not who I was before. If I lose it all, will you still be here? We die for the money, we cry golden tears. Bloody noses up in Beverly Hills. We wear bikinis while we're drowning in pills. Drive my Mercedes on the highway to hell. Somebody save me from myself. Bloody noses up in Beverly Hills. We wear bikinis while we're drowning in pills. Drive my Mercedes on the
Now there's a shade that is like in between this darkness, and I don't have that shade. So I'm going to take something close enough to that shade. So I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette, and I think maybe if I combine Cake Mix, so Cake Mix, and a little bit of this one, I can get a shade similar. So I'm going to be mixing those two together with my Morphe M156 brush. So let's see how that goes.
If I lose it all, will you still be here? We die for the money, we cry golden tears. Bloody noses up in Beverly Hills. We wear bikinis while we're drowning in pills. Drive my Mercedes on the highway to hell. Somebody save me from myself. Bloody noses up in Beverly Hills. We wear bikinis while we're drowning in pills. Drive my Mercedes on the highway to hell. Somebody save me from myself. Somebody save me from myself. Too big to fail. If you can't pay your bills, put your soul up for sale. Everybody getting high to pretend that they're okay. People cheating on their wives cause they can't admit the gay. Beauty is pain. I'll rearrange my face for a taste of the fame. No, I can't keep it together. Personalities are split. Making money off your words, but your words ain't worth shit. Feels like I'm lost. Feels like I'm lost. Please come and find me. Find me. Going too fast. Going too fast. Oh, baby, rewind me. Rewind me. Riding bodies up in Beverly Hills. Who needs lobotomies when you can buy pills? They're popping Molly in the nightclubs in hell. A voice inside of me is crying for help. Somebody save me from myself. Bloody noses up in Beverly Hills.
We wore bikinis while we're drowning in pills. Turn my Mercedes on the highway to hell. Somebody save me from myself.
Scared, afraid of all this change. We've been poor too long, but being rich feels strange. Fake, I can't pretend no more. Living one big lie, not who I was before. If I lose it all, will you still be here? We die for the money, we cry golden tears. Bloody noses up in Beverly Hills. We wear bikinis while we're drowning in pills. Drive my Mercedes on the highway to hell. Somebody save me from myself. Bloody noses up in Beverly Hills. We wear bikinis while we're drowning in pills. Drive my Mercedes on the highway to hell. Somebody save me from myself. Somebody save me from myself. Tired.
And this is the finished look. I realized I don't have any bottom lashes, so the bottom of my eye does not look as good as it does in the picture, but that's fine because I don't think I would ever do bottom lashes. However, I did put falsies on top, and they are from VOV Cosmetics or Volve Cosmetics. So yeah, this is the finished look. I'm really loving this red lip. I have not, in a very long time, had minimal eyeshadow on my eyes. I'm not used to this look, but you know, change is good. And that's it for this week's Face Chart Friday. Any questions, comments, concerns, you know where to leave them. I'm gonna go to work now, so see you all next time. Bye.